Good morning, children. I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to learn about noun and its kinds. What are nouns? Names of persons, places, animals, and things are called as nouns. They are also called as naming words. Example: Bob, Mary, book, pen, cake, Pune, London, lion, elephant, etc. Let's see some more examples in sentences. Kathy loves the weekends. In this sentence, there are two nouns, Kathy and weekends. See the second sentence. Emily visits Paris. Again, in this sentence, there are two naming words, Emily and Paris. Third sentence. There are 5 dogs in the street. In this sentence, there are two naming words, dogs and street. Let's have some more examples according to person, place, animal, and things. Here is the list. See, persons, Leo, teacher, Hazel, father. Place, Paris, India, Taj Mahal, Aurangabad. Animal, cow, tiger, elephant, monkey. Things, guitar, clock, bag, pencil. Kinds of nouns. There are three types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun. Proper noun. Proper nouns are the names of specific person, place, or a thing. Example: my cousin lives in Norway. Students, here see the word Norway. Norway is the name of a country, so this is a proper noun. My name is Sophie. Sophie is the name of a girl, so it is a proper noun. Common noun. Common nouns are names of any person, place, or a thing. It means these are the names which are common. They are called as common nouns. Let's see examples. Birds live on trees. In this sentence, there are two common nouns, birds and trees. Why they are common? Because we are not talking about any particular tree or or we are not talking about any particular bird. Ria's mother is a doctor. In this sentence, doctor is a common noun. Collective noun. Collective nouns are names for a collection or a group of people or things. Example: I bought a pair of shoes. So, pair of shoes, this is an example of a collective noun. He gifted me a bouquet of flowers. As you all know, children, a group of flowers, it is called as bouquet. See some more examples of common, proper, and collective nouns. Common noun, country. But when we say that United States of America, then it will become a proper noun. Athlete. Athlete is a common noun. But when we say Michael Jordan, then it becomes proper noun. Newspaper. It is a common noun. But when we say the Wall Street Journal, then it is a proper noun. It is a name of a newspaper. So these are some examples. Now see some examples of collective nouns. Army of ants, school of fish, herd of elephants, pack of wolves, swarm of bees. See some examples of people, crowd of people, class of students, crew of sailors, team of athletes. See some examples of things, galaxy of stars, bunch of grapes, range of mountains, bouquet of flowers, pile of garbage, fleet of ships, pair of shoes. Now, nouns can be classified as singular and plural. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or a thing is called singular. Students in class 2, you have heard these words one and many. So one means singular and many means plural. Let's see some examples of singular noun. Girl, cat, house, flower, pencil, mango, etc. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place, or thing is called a plural noun. That is many. Let's see some examples. Girls, cats, houses, flowers, pencils, mangoes, etc. To form the plurals, there are some rules which we have to remember. The first one, in the most nouns, we simply add s in the spelling. Example, cat, cats, student, students. Second rule, noun ending in vowel plus o letter. What we will do, we will simply add s in the spelling. For example, see here, video. In this, see, this is a vowel sound and in the spelling, the letter O is there. So, video, videos. Simply we have added S in it. Radio, radios. Third rule, noun ending in vowel plus Y in the spelling. What we will do, we will simply add S in the spelling. Toy, toys. Day, days. Now see children, you all have learnt about vowels and consonant sounds, and you all know that there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Now see the fourth rule. Noun ending in ch, sh, s, x, z. We will add es in the spelling. Church, churches. Brush, brushes. Bus, buses. Glass, glasses. Fox, foxes. Buzz, buzzes. Noun ending in consonant plus O. Again, we will add es in it. For example, potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Next rule, noun ending in consonant plus Y in the spelling. So what we will do, we will drop Y from the spelling and we will add IES in the spelling. Baby, babies. Army, armies. Noun ending in F or FE. What we will do, we will change F or FE to VES. thief, thieves, life, lies. Now let's see some rules with examples. For example, if a singular noun ends in Y and is preceded by a consonant, change the Y to an I and add ES. Just now we did it. See here, berry, berries, baby, babies, story, stories, butterfly, butterflies, lady, ladies, city, cities, fairy, fairies, cherry, cherries. This one is related to this rule only. See this one. And you all know about these plurals. Boy, boy. Simply we have added S in the spelling. Play, plays. Pulley, pulleys. Gray, grays. Relay, relays. Alley, alleys. Now, children, there are some irregular plural nouns also where in the spelling F or FE we will change to VES. Wolf, wolves. Shelf, shelves. Calf, calves. Elf, elves. Half, halves. Self, selves. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. And these are some more examples. Now, there are some irregular plural nouns where we will change the vowel sound. For example, see here, woman, women. The first one is child, children. Man, men. Goose, geese. See, the vowel sound is changed. Mouse, mice. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Cactus, cacti. Person, people. Ox, oxen. Now, children, there are some words which have both singular and plural as the same words. For example, fish. The plural of fish is fish only. Okay, but many times we use fishes. But now, when fishes are used when referring to more than one species of fish in a scientific context, we can use fishes as the plural. Okay. Now, see the second one, deer. If we say the plural of deer is deers, then it is wrong. The plural of deer is deer only. Sheep, sheep. Offspring, offspring means young ones of humans and animals. The plural of offspring is offspring only. The same. Aircraft, aircraft. Now, gender. Nouns can be classified according to their gender also. Now, what is gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Men, boys, and male animals are of the masculine gender. Children, in class 2, you have learned about males and females. So, males, they are called as masculine gender. Let's see examples. Brother, father, grandfather, dog, etc. Women, girls, and female animals are of the feminine gender. Examples: sister, aunt, grandmother, bitch. The third gender is a gender that is neither masculine nor feminine. It is called as common gender. Now, let's see some examples of masculine and feminine genders. Here is the list. See: lion, lioness, actor, actress, bachelor, spinster, boy, girl. This one you all know. Master, mistress, brother, sister, father-in-law, mother-in-law, duke, duchess, lord, lady, hero, heroine, host, hostess, waiter, waitress, nephew, niece, husband, wife, king, queen. Now see some examples of common gender. Here is the list of common gender, students. See: police, teacher, doctor, parent, cousin, relative, child, artist, officer, animal, chairperson, infant, person, sportsperson, cook, sibling, author, principal, baby, manager, stranger, friend, actor, scientist, judge, musician, owner, soldier, neighbor, servant. When we use these words, we don't discriminate between masculine and feminine genders. When we say actor, it may be a male or a female. When we say about a servant, it may be a male or a female. Now, children, today we have learned about the definition of nouns, their examples. So, here is your worksheet number 1. This is your homework. Now, in this question, you have to match the singular nouns with their plural forms. And the second question is, write the plural forms of these nouns. You have to write the plurals of these. Worksheet 2. In this worksheet, you have to complete the phrases with the help of collective nouns. So children, today we have learned about nouns, their kinds, that there are 3 types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, with examples. After that, we have seen how plurals are formed with the help of rules, but there are some plural nouns which have same forms. For example, deer, deer, sheep, sheep. And lastly, we have learned about genders, that there are 3 types of genders: masculine, feminine, and common genders, with the help of examples. Thank you, children, for watching this video, and I hope that you will complete your worksheets. Have a nice day.